I gotta get side Velcro for this. Yeah, I know. I know. I gotta find rolls of it. You want Lando? I got Han. Whoa, that was a flip. That was pretty good. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got more oomph, but that's the slipper clutch. You're dragging your battery. That was pretty cool.
You were standing right here.
So you didn't see it?
No. That was alright though.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the way it. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, you gotta put like a little lid at the top. Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna put it. Alright. That was pretty cool.
You gotta fix it like this.
I know. My car's So you didn't see it? You did like a double backflip. Whoa! You got some good speed on that. You need to turn that throttle down to. You need to turn that throttle down to 65. You're good. You're good. Okay. Because you are a throttle jockey. It's not a bad thing. Oh, yeah. You like the wall ride then, huh? That's kind of what my thought was. This side is a little more straight, so we can get rid of these logs and just hit it straight with like the monster truck. So. Okay, no more flips. No more flips. You can go now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this car turned out so nice. And this was my junk car. This is my spare parts car. Remember that? And then I bought a LC slipper clutch. But I'll figure it out, damn it. Alright, you gotta carry that. I gotta turn it off.
I think the wheel popped again.
You are a throttle jockey.
some cool flips on there, dude.
You like it all, right?
Yeah, walleye always my favorite.
That's kind of what my thought was. This side is a little more straight, so we can get rid of these logs and just hit
Oh,
it straight
I think it
with,
popped
like,
out
the
this
rest
time.
of the- Oh.